We introduced a state-of-the-art real-time technology for avatar-based virtual try-on. This is a joint effort between Pinscreen and Deform Dynamics. Our system integrates photorealistic performance-driven avatars with cutting-edge class simulation. Everything runs on a Unity game engine using a single GPU. Here's how it works. Our subject wears an Xsense motion capture suit as well as a Manus VR glove. She can freely pose in front of a virtual mirror and see her avatar performing in a fully virtual environment. Let's start by choosing some clothes. This one seems to fit her pretty well. Let's have her move around a little bit. We can see how she can interactively control the character by using her own body motion while previewing herself in real time. The system is ideal for virtual customization and styling, as changing clothing in the real world can be cumbersome and time-consuming. Let's check out some options and find the right dress and colors. Instead of trying one at a time, why don't we pick a couple of dresses we're interested in and compare. Let's try different colors and styles and split the screens. Here we can see the real advantage of using a virtual fitting room compared to a real one. In the future, we can imagine how dresses can be customized to your own body and the way you want before you shop online. Our system allows us to animate, simulate, and render up to 8 views at the same time, each with a different clothing. For the simulation, we use a cutting-edge physics simulation engine, which is based on position-based dynamics. This is extremely stable and can handle multiple clothing at the same time. Here's another thing you can do with our virtual fitting room. What if you wanted to know which clothing size is ideal for you? We can even instantly change your body shape and simulate how you would look like if you put on more weight and say if you wanted to look like a fashion model. While many virtual fitting room solutions have been proposed, we present a cutting-edge solution for real-time virtual try-on based on Pinscreen's avatars and Deform Dynamics physics engine. We believe this technology will become a fundamental building block for the future of fashion and e-commerce. Please stay tuned and follow our latest developments at pinscreen.com and deformdynamics.com.